the best spice blends for dips and sauces. Dips and sauces are the unsung heroes of any meal. They can elevate simple snacks into gourmet experiences or add depth to main dishes with just a hint of seasoning. Whether you're hosting a casual get-together, preparing a family dinner, or enjoying a quiet night in, the right spice blend can transform your dips and sauces from ordinary to extraordinary. Here are some of the best spice blends that can take your culinary creations to the next level. 1. Za'atar. Origin Middle Eastern. Flavor profile: earthy, tangy, and slightly nutty. Za'atar is a traditional Middle Eastern blend made from herbs like thyme, sumac, and sesame seeds. This versatile blend works wonders in yogurt-based dips, hummus, or even sprinkled over olive oil to create a delicious bread dip. The tanginess combined with the nuttiness adds a unique flavor that pairs beautifully with warm pita bread or crunchy vegetables. 2. Garam Masala. Origin India. Flavor profile: warm, aromatic, and slightly sweet. Garam Masala is a blend of warm spices such as cumin, coriander, cinnamon, cardamom, and cloves. It's perfect for creamy dips like yogurt or sour cream-based sauces. Stir garam masala into a yogurt dip or add it to a curry sauce for depth. It also works well as a seasoning in chutneys or tangy tamarind-based dips. 3. Italian seasoning. Origin Italy. Flavor profile: herbaceous and savory. A classic Italian seasoning blend typically includes oregano, basil, rosemary, and thyme. This mix adds a fresh Mediterranean flavor to sauces, especially those used for pasta or pizzas. When mixed with olive oil and balsamic vinegar, it creates an easy and flavorful dressing or dipping sauce for bread. 4. Ras el Hanout. Origin North Africa. Flavor profile: complex, warm, and slightly sweet. Ras el Hanout is a North African spice blend made from a combination of spices like cinnamon, cumin, ginger, and turmeric. Its warm, exotic flavors make it perfect for rich, creamy sauces and dips. Pairing it with Greek yogurt creates a tangy and savory dip with a hint of sweetness, perfect for vegetable platters or pita chips. It can also be added to tahini sauces for a unique twist. 5. Herbes de Provence. Origin France. Flavor profile: floral, earthy, and slightly sweet. Herbes de Provence is a classic French spice blend consisting of thyme, rosemary, lavender, and marjoram. Its floral notes make it an excellent addition to light, cream-based sauces or dips like aioli. The blend brings out the natural flavors of fresh vegetables and seafood, and a great addition to creamy garlic sauces or drizzled overbaked brie. 6. Chimichurri Spice Mix. Origin South America. Flavor profile: bright, garlicky, and herbaceous. Chimichurri is a vibrant, herb-based sauce traditionally served with grilled meats in South America. A pre-made chimichurri spice mix often includes dried parsley, garlic, oregano, and chili flakes. When combined with olive oil and red wine vinegar, it creates a refreshing, tangy sauce perfect for dipping or drizzling over grilled foods. Spice up your life and your meals with these incredible blends, many of which are available at specialty spice shops like Spice Station. Happy cooking!